Hey friends, I don't know if you remember this, but last year I created a Starry Night inspired mirror because I was so blown away by the Van Gogh immersive experience. Well, I'm not sure if you know this, but they are starting to roll out the Gustav Klimt immersive experience, and I cannot wait to see this. Gustav Klimt is one of my favorite artists, and I love the use of gold leaf in his paintings. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are creating some Gustav Klimt inspired postcards that you are going to love. We are using Finetec watercolors from Royal Talens, and these watercolors are going to blow your mind. These watercolors contain oxidized glass, ethically sourced mica, and rare pigments, and some of them even have real bits of silver in them. I have worked with tons of metallic paints, and nothing shimmers like these paints. Now, don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hey. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some Gustav Klimt inspired postcards. Finetec watercolors are my new obsession, and they are ideal for calligraphy, hand lettering, and adding special effects to any painting or mixed media artwork. They're available in 68 colors in individual pans and sets. The Van Gogh black watercolor postcards by Royal Talens are ideal for creating with opaque, metallic, and interference colors, and I think the Finetec watercolors look like real gold leaf when used with these postcards. Austrian painter Gustav Klimt was one of the most radical artists of the 20th century. Through his intensely decorative and erotic style, he pushed the boundaries of traditional artistic convention, paving the way for modernists of the future. As many as 14 of Klimt's works were destroyed in 1945 when the Schloss Immendorf, a castle that had been used as a storage space for stolen art during the war, was burnt down by an SS unit. I'm going to leave a link to Finetec and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction, Perfect Paper Projects, and I will see you next week. Bye!